Hey there YouTube. Today I am installing the water line on my Frigidaire gallery. Model number LGHB2869TF8, and this is the one with 2 ice makers. So what I did was drill a hole through my cupboard and snaked a electrician's snake tool through there and got through the hole on the other side. And in case you're curious, the water line fitting is at the bottom here, and it's a 1/4 inch compression fitting. I used stainless steel braided hose because this was $15 for 15 feet on Amazon. That's almost the price of plastic, so you can't go wrong there. And this is behind my dishwasher. See the hole there? I put the tool through and already tied a rope so I can lead the line back through. And thankfully, because my dishwasher is already here, I can just go through there to get to the water line. And it's kind of hard to see, but my sink uses a 3/8 compression fitting for the cold water side. So all I did was get a splitter here that goes from 3/8 to 3/8, and then also, it's actually a T, has an output for a 1/4 inch there. So the stainless steel hose is going to go on this one, and the sink cold faucet is going to go here, and this is going to be the supply. This was $8 on Amazon. So the side that I'm running through the cupboard there, I put a little bit of packing tape. You can use painter's tape or whatever kind of tape, just so crud doesn't get in there, because if there's crud in that compression gasket or it gets in the line, you're going to have a bad time. And then you have an assistant or yourself pull the hose through. Probably should have removed that sticker, but we'll get to that later. Okay, pull it through. There we go. And the reason that you don't want to use plastic line is because I filled this entire bowl with water in about 15 seconds while bleeding the line. It's a lot of leaking that could happen really quick. So don't cheap out, get the stainless steel. Okay, and there it is installed. You'll see how it just splits off there, and the faucet line, the faucet water supply line, just hooks to the top of it there. This will work for you if a 5/8 wrench fits over the nut for your water supply line. And the 1/4 inch line uses a 1/2 inch or 13 millimeter wrench.